Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to our AI classes. Today we are going to learn or understand about few of the things in AI. One is just I asked ChatGPT what is the Hugging Face versus GitHub. What are the similarities basically? Then what is the main usage of Hugging Face? Because nowadays everyone is talking about AI. So everyone is trying to develop AI and make use of AI. But what is the behind the scenes? What are the models? Who will provide the model? Who will develop the model? And what are the data sets? For that, where we will start our journey. So now, let me see here. If you see, what is the difference between Hugging Face and GitHub? But anyhow, both are not same. It's a GitHub is a, as you know, code hosting platform. Whatever the code we have written, we can push our code as it will act as a source code repository. Mainly, it will focus on developers. Then we can save different file formats like .java, .py, Python, JS code, CVP code. Same way, Hugging Face as well. It's a AI or ML model and dataset hub. What is the main purpose? Host and share machine learning assets like models, datasets, and demos. Mainly, it will focus on AI model communities. What it will have? It will have pre-trained models and dataset, sample datasets. It is for mainly ML models with metadata and tags, running models in browser via spaces. Okay, this is unlike main use is GitHub is code hosting, Hugging Face is ML model hosting, version control is Git, and model versioning. These are the different features. So now coming to Hugging Face, right? So what is Hugging Face? It's a AI community building in the future. There are browse 1 million plus models. There are thousands of 1 million plus models are there. So how we can make use of model for our requirement? That is very important, right? There are so many models where if you see here models, if our requirement is text generation or any to any, image to text, image to text, then to text, then only image to image, text to video, text to speech. There are different if you see here. Again, computer vision related models. These are the multi models. These are the computer vision image classification, image segmentation. Under this, we have natural language processing like text classification, token classification, audio, tabular, reinforcement learning. That is called RAG, graph machine learning. These are the different tasks. In the, each task will have the different models. So in that model, we have each task, we have thousands of models. If you see here, 22 lakhs 33,598. So these many models available. So how we can find which model is will suit our requirement? So there are different approaches we can follow. One is uh, what are how many likes that model have and how many downloads that model have based on the, suppose if I say here text generation updated 1 day ago, it is 30k downloads are there. Then here 5.26 downloads are there. This is the here 863k downloads are there. So everything is same requirement. If you go here models, you can sort by trending or sort by, if you use most likes, most downloads. If I use most downloads, what it will do? Sentiment transformers. This is 137 million downloads. Like this we can use. Then once we download the model, we have to configure the model, and we have to use either PyTorch or TensorFlow to connect that model and work on that. Then sample data sets. There are different data sets for to work as a POC kind of thing. It's not for real time. We can use for data sets for our testing. This is also same. What are the here? If you see chat GPT prompts, how many, what are the different prompts we can give? If you go here, it will give the, see here, imagine you are experienced Ethereum developer tasked with creating a smart contract for a blockchain messenger. This is one of the prompt. This is a CO prompt. This is a SQL query. So this how that we'll get data sets and make use of the data sets for our requirement. The Hugging Face is mainly will have the models data sets and spaces. Here also there is a pricing is there. It is not for free. For, if you see here, pro account boost your personal Hugging Face experience, $9 per month. What it will do? It will 10x private storage capacity, 20x included interface credit, inference credits, 0 GPU quota and highest queue priority. Data sets viewer for private data sets. Here $20 per month, $50 per month, everything you will get. So this how they'll provide support everything. If you want to free for few days, yes, you can have a free account, join as a free account and make use of that model. And otherwise you can download the model and data sets and you can work on that. This about the Hugging Faces. Please explore more on Hugging Faces, how you can make use of Hugging Face website and do your research. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.